तो इसमें हम लोग बात करते हैं नौकरी के लिए इंटरव्यू, एन इंटरव्यू फॉर ए जॉब। सीमा और मैनेजर के बीच बात हो रही है इंटरव्यू में। मै आई कम इन सर? यस प्लीज। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग, प्लीज सिट डाउन। थैंक यू। व्हाट इज योर नेम? सीमा विश्वास। मैरिड और अनमैरिड? Married. You have applied for the post of a personal assistant, right? Yes, sir. What are your qualifications? I am BSc. I have also done a diploma in typing and shorthand and secretarial course from the government Polytechnic Ghaziabad. What is your speed in typing and shorthand? 70 words per minute. Can you work on a computer? Yes, I can do the word processing on it. Have you worked in an office before? Yes, I have worked as PA to the manager JK Industries. Have you left them? क्या आपने वहाँ छोड़ दिया? No, but I am looking for a change now. Why? The place is very far. Besides, the salary is not enough. What is your present salary per month? 2100 rupees per month. What salary do you expect? Around 3000. Can you communicate in English fluently? Of course I can. One last but very important question. A personal assistant may have to stay back late in office sometimes. Can you do that? A personal assistant may have to stay back late in office sometimes. Can you do that? मतलब पर्सनल असिस्टेंट को कभी कभी ऑफिस में देर तक रुकना पड़ सकता है, आप ऐसा कर सकती हैं। Only once in a while, sir, not always. I have a small baby. जी केवल कभी रुक सकती हूँ, हमेशा नहीं। All right, Mrs. Viswas, that will do. We will let you know soon. Thank you, sir. And we will meet in next video.